This is the video for the in-depth training on dashboards and how to incorporate advanced queries into your dashboards to quickly let you see and get to the information that you would use on a day-to-day basis. So we'll start by going ahead and pulling up an existing dashboard that we created for training purposes, just to kind of give a quick run through of some of the information that you can pull and some of the different things that you can do with dashboards. So this is just a little test one that we created. We have our quick product list, quick lookup, a couple of different line item dashboard instruments, showing all orders, by the line item basis for orders that are in the in-design station and also for in-finishing station. This WIP orders due this week, this is actually an advanced query, and in just a minute I'll show you guys how to pull in that advanced query into a dashboard instrument. Line item ticket explorer, this is a line item dashboard instrument that is actually a sub-instrument of the order. So as you can see, as you change and click through the different orders, it pulls in all the line items associated with that selected order. And down here is just another My Pending Estimates instrument showing great for the sales team to show. You can select and sort it by salesperson so they can see all pending estimates assigned to them, and just for quick follow-ups and to get those estimates converted. Alright, I think we'll go ahead and create a new one from scratch just to kind of show you guys how we went about and built this. So we'll go to Dashboard, drop down and select New. Alright, and this little Add Instrument button. So we'll go ahead and select that, and we'll go ahead and add an Order Explorer. So it'll pull up your basic Order Explorer window, and we'll go ahead and select Edit, and we want to see only orders in WIP for this month. So we can go back up to the top, select Save, and it'll pull in all orders in the WIP status for this month. We can actually go back up in here and rename it. Come in and save it, and it'll pull that in for you. And up here you'll see this little Add Column button. If you click that, it'll move it over to let you kind of move and place multiple instruments on your dashboard so you can get more information. We'll go ahead and add a new instrument, and I'm going to show you guys how to incorporate the advanced query into a dashboard instrument. So by coming down and selecting Marketing and Advanced Explorer, and then Marketing Search Results, it'll pop up with an empty box, and we can select this Edit button. Now there's actually two ways you can do this. We're going to come in and select Use a Save Search, and if you have any already saved, you can do this right through here, or you can come in and select Use a Custom Search, and we're going to do this by order, and we can come back up to the Use Save Search, and we can see orders due this week, and it'll show you all orders where status is in WIP and the due date is set to this week. And we can come up here and select Save, and it'll pull in those WIP orders for you. And again, you can come in to this caption Alright, and the best way that we would recommend going about this is to actually go into your Explorer windows and go ahead and create your query in here. By doing this, you'll be able to see the results immediately after you've created your query, which is a good way to just verify that you are pulling the information that you do need. And then save that query, and then when you come through into your dashboard, that query will already be saved for you, and you can come in, select that query, and pull that information that you're looking for. A little tip when you're working with your dashboard, you can clone dashboard instruments. So we'll come into the Line Item Explorer, and it'll pull up your generic Line Item Explorer, and we can come in and edit this. Okay, and we don't want to show completed, and we want to see all line items that are in the in-design station. So we can come back up to the top, rename this in design, save it, and you'll see sorting by line item, all station in design coming through. And the neat thing about this is you can rearrange this to how you want it. For instance, you're showing all line items that are in the in-design station. So this right here, you may want to go ahead and just get rid of it, since it is showing all line items in the design station, so we can get rid of that. select OK, and you can kind of manipulate this, change field sizes, thing you want. You may not want to see the price, it may not be relevant for this, and then you can come in, edit that, and save it. And by doing this, this will allow you, if you also wanted to see design and then also in finishing, you can come in and clone this. And let's go ahead and move this right here. And we can edit the one we just cloned, and all we have to do is change that station from InDesign to maybe in finishing. Change our caption and save it. And notice it keeps the same fields, the same field sizes and everything we selected, so you can you just have to do it one time, clone it, and it's exactly how you want it. Alright, we'll go ahead and add another column. We'll come in and select Add Instrument, and this is just a great way, any advanced query that you can create, you can pull in to your dashboard. So it's great for different things, the sales team, the production team, they'll need to see more of the WIP, orders that are in production as those jobs are going through the production process. The sales team, they'll need more of the estimates, companies, contacts, information like follow in. So we can go ahead and pull up an Estimate Explorer, and we can come in here and edit this. All right, so let's see. The salesperson, we can come and select one salesperson. We can select Dean, select them, all current estimates that are pending. We don't want to show any of these. And you can come name this pending estimates. Save. And this is a nice little instrument for a salesperson to come in and just see all their pending estimates, quick access, just a double click away, pull it up for quick follow-ups and responses. All right, we'll go ahead and let's create an advanced query from scratch and go ahead and pull it in. So maybe you want to see a certain list of companies. We can come in, we'll select our advanced and clear out our query. So we want to see all companies where the company is a client and they are active and have orders with a subtotal greater than or equal to $5,000. So just to kind of give you a list of your bigger customers, we can go ahead and select OK. Come over here, save this query, call it Top Customers. Come back and create a new dashboard instrument. Marketing and Advanced Explorer. Come down to Marketing Search Results. Select our little drop down here and edit it. All right, and we're going to want to use a save search. It's going to be a company. We're going to select our top customers, and it'll pull that query that we just created in there. Company is a client, company is active, with an order subtotal before taxes greater than or equal to 5,000. We can rename this Top Customers, and it'll pull that list right in there for us. There's many different things you can do. Like I said, any advanced query that you can create can be pulled into a dashboard instrument. Top customers, you want to see pending estimates that have a certain value of $1,000 or more. Anything can be, can really pull in any information that you need it to. You can create sub-explorers, cloning these. There's just a lot of things you can do, and I would highly recommend, it's really a hands-on, working with those queries to give you the information that you need. And we also have on the customer website as well a in-depth training session on how to create advanced queries. And if you don't have much experience with it, and even if you do, it's a good video to go look at to kind of show you the process of how to pull all that information that you are looking for, and just being able to have this right in front of you as soon as you log into Control, have that information that you're working with on a day-to-day basis. And on that note, we can come up to Setup, System Setup, and come all the way down to the bottom. and you'll see dashboard options. And we can edit this, and after you've saved the dashboard, you can come in and actually make that dashboard your home dashboard. So as soon as you log into Control, this dashboard is what you will see as opposed to the default home. So that's really dashboards and how to incorporate those advanced queries into them. And just there's a lot of things that can be done with this, and highly recommend going in through and practicing and playing with those queries to get that information that you need. All right. And just on another note, I'll go ahead and pull up a quick little dashboard that we created, financials. This would be more for the accounting management side of it. You can see, financial throughput summary. We can create an AR Explorer, and similar to all the production things that we just went through, by coming in and editing, and we only want to see the ARs that are out for greater than 90 days, and pull in information like that. This quick payment receipt right here. So as you can see, select your order, and it changes, based on the order you've selected. For orders with an outstanding balance, for a quick one button away for record payment to get to that. Well, guys, that completes our video on dashboards and advanced queries.